Hi everyone, it's Felipe. It's good to be back. It's good to be back. If you've been watching my channel for a while, then you know that I had a Mavic Pro. Then I crashed. And then sent in an insurance claim, got my money, and then I purchased a Mavic Pro 2 version 2. So this is my first video after getting my Mavic Pro 2, and I'm so excited to share the images from that video shooting that I did today on the beach. And just want to let you guys know that after doing this video to show you what my Mavic Pro 2 is capable of, starting next week I'll be launching a new series on YouTube called Drone Around Florida. And I'll be traveling all around Florida and taking nice videos with my drone of different landmarks, different things that we all enjoy here in the Sunshine State. Let you in on some little secrets that you don't know, so that if you're living in Florida, you can know where to go to enjoy those things. And if you live out of Florida, Wisconsin, and you find it too cold, then you could probably come down and enjoy the Sunshine State and enjoy all the wonderful things we have. So get ready for my new series, Drone Around Florida. But right now, let's talk about my new drone, Mavic Pro 2. Beautiful, wonderful drone. I'm not happy that my Mavic Pro crashed, but I'm happy that I got the money from my insurance and I was able to get the Mavic Pro 2 because I'm really enjoying this drone. It has a camera with a 1-inch sensor just like the Phantom Pro 4, but the difference is I can fold this drone. I can fold it up and stick it into a nice carry case, and this is basically what I'm traveling with so that I can take my videos wherever I go. It's much easier to carry around as opposed to the Phantom 4. Now, if you remember from one of my previous videos, I did mention that once I sell 100,000 copies of my books, I'm going to be giving away a drone. Now, in an earlier video, I did mention that the Mavic Pro drone I had, that's the drone I'll be giving away. But now that that drone has crashed, what am I going to give away? I'll be giving away a Mavic Pro 2. So as long as I sell 100,000 books, I'll give away that drone. And basically what you'll have to do is to subscribe to my channel. Just shoot me an email to say, hey, I purchased a book. And then we put you in that pot. And once we hit 100,000, then we do a drawing. And then hopefully you'll be the person getting that drone. As we reach different landmarks, like 500, 1,000, I'll be giving away different prizes. And the books I really write interesting books, books that are different from a lot of the trash that people are writing these days, no offense, but I write books that teach people a lesson. There's action, there's romance, there's adventure, things that people can actually learn something. I encourage you, visit my website or encourage your friends, or you can even purchase one of my books as a gift. I have books in English and Spanish. I've just released another book, One Desirable Man. It's already on Amazon. And I'll be releasing another book later on in a few months, probably 2 or 3 months. And that will also be released in English and Portuguese. And of course the books I already have are in English and Spanish. But I'm not going to talk anymore. Let's just go into the video of my Mavic Pro 2 and see the beautiful videos that I was able to film today.